Hello! Welcome to today's video. I have been trying to do 2 videos a week. I went thrift shopping today in hopes of finding some more summer appropriate clothes. Today I went in with the idea of trying to get more summery styled clothes because I am realizing that I have nothing. The past few summers, while I was still living at university in Tennessee and it was incredibly hot, I was indoors all day because I worked for the dorm that I lived, so I never had to leave the dorm, and I just stayed inside all day most of the time. So I only have like a few outfits that are outside summer appropriate, so I feel like I need something more that's summer appropriate. So that's what I went into the thrift store with the idea of. And the characters that I kind of had in mind of style that I am trying to add more of into my wardrobe is Miss Fisher from Miss Fisher's Murderous Mysteries. I'm going more towards the 1920s set Mrs. Fisher, not necessarily the 60s, although I kind of want to add a few more 60s pieces into my wardrobe because I think those are also can be really fun. I have yet to watch the new Miss Fisher Murderous Mysteries, Modern Mysteries? Miss Fisher's Modern Mysteries? I have yet to watch that, so I haven't gotten obsessed with that one yet, but I am going to watch it very soon. So I got a few things. By a few, I mean 3. I picked up 3 things. I'm gonna start with this pair of penny loafers. My thing with buying shoes from thrift stores is if they look barely used, I am okay with buying them and then cleaning the heck out of them before I wear them. So these are just black penny loafers. They're size 8. They are for $5, and you can tell like from the soles that they are just barely been worn. A little bit in the heel, but they look more dusty than they do like badly worn. So those are nice because I don't have a pair of loafers anymore and I feel like I need a pair of loafers. The next thing I got was this red shirt because I really liked the top. This one is not really summery. It kind of defeated the purpose of my shop, was just try and find more summer clothes, but it's really cute and I really need to replace it because this one that replace the one I am currently wearing because it's got some issues. I don't think I found the shirt to quite replace it yet because I do love a good tie shirt, but I think this one's really cute and it will go with the skirt that I'm wearing quite nicely and a number of my other skirts. And the last thing I got is this jumpsuit. That is a halter top style jumpsuit. It's got these really long straps, ties, but it's very long and wide striped legs. This is the piece that screamed to me Miss Fisher potential. So what I mean is that like when I tried it on, the pants reminded me of the pants from this outfit from the show, and I had this idea of making the top look a little bit more 1920s, 1930s styled by doing a bit of a DIY. So my thoughts are on how I'm going to alter this is I want this loose kind of, this feel that it has here, but I want addition of a cape kind of thing. I have sketches in my handy dandy sketchbook. What I'm thinking is doing something like this, so adding on like almost like bat wings kind of thing. So I would add trying to decide if I want to do like something black here with this like on top, so it'd be like sewn here, black, something black here, and then it would have the same black would be sewn along here, attached here, And then I don't quite know exactly what I'm wanting for the back. Kira, what are you doing? Are you eating ants? Are you digging in the ant hole? Kira, sit. Good girl. So that's my idea so far for that. Let me know what you think. This was $9.99 and it's new. Both of these things were new with tags. Kind of. I mean, they had the tags, which is weird. This one's not new because it's stained a little bit on the, well, not stained, a little bit on the back. It's got something on the back. And it's missing a button, but then it has its spare button. So, yeah, but this one was $4.99, this one was $9.99, and the shoes were $4.99 as well. So that is it for my haul. This was a little bit of a mess. I apologize for that. I hope you enjoyed this video. I plan on doing some more of these in the future. I think I'll probably do more of a shop my closet kind of video in the next couple weeks or so, trying to figure out more summer appropriate clothes. I need to have a good honest look in my wardrobe to see what's there. So I think one of my videos in the next couple weeks is going to be a shopping my closet video. And then I hopefully will have a DIY for this soon. Probably not soon right now, because right now I'm actually working on a 1940s playsuit. So that's the project I'm currently working on, but once that's done, maybe I'll start working on this. So that's it for today's video. If you liked it, please let me know by pressing the like button, and if you would like to see more from me, you can click the subscribe button and the notification bell. If you can't wait until next time to see my lovely face, you can go over to my Instagram, where I post over there pretty much every single day. I post a lot of stuff about my puppy, so if you're interested in seeing an adorable puppy and vintage clothes, over there. I also have a Pinterest where I get a lot of inspiration for outfits, for different things, for pieces I really want to incorporate into my wardrobe. I think we all get a lot of inspiration from Pinterest. Oh, and recipes. There are so many recipes. Here's an example of the stuff that I pin on Pinterest. So if you want to follow me over there, links are down in the description bar. That's it. I think I checked off all the boxes. So I can't wait till next time to see you guys. Take care. Are you going to mow, or are you just working on your lawnmower? I can't wait to